In this video, I'll be showing you how to combine audio files into one file. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, to do this, we're going to be using something called Audacity. And to go ahead and get this, what you're going to do is go over to your browser of choice, then type in Audacity like so. You're going to see download for Windows or Mac OS if you want to go ahead and do that. And then it's going to be a free downloader, so just run the installation file. Then on the top left, go ahead and click File. And then all you want to go ahead and do is hover your mouse over import and then go ahead and select the audio. Now over here, you just want to go ahead and find whichever thing you want. So for my instance, I'm just going to go over to desktop and look for anything that I can basically import from here. So once you have your music, all you want to do is select whichever music you want. So let me just select these four things right here. Well, I'm just select these ones as well, because you can just do as many as you want. Then go ahead and press open. Now just wait for it to open, and as you can see now there's going to be multiple different tracks where they're all going to be open. What I could also do is literally just drag and drop. So what I can do is go over to a folder where you have music. So in my instance, I'm going to go to this one right here. Now let's say I want to drag and drop this. All I got to do is drag it and move it here, and then that's it. It's also going to be here too. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it.